Hi everybody, it is Kay with Pampered Chef Recipes with Kay, and today I'm going to be making a dense bean pizza salad. So, dense bean, you take a protein bean, and today I'm going to be using cannellini beans for that creamy texture that we like so much in our salads. But I'm going to be adding our spicy pizza dipping oil, as well as some tomatoes, a little garlic parm, and my pizza toppings. So I've got some turkey sausage, some Canadian bacon, bell peppers, mozzarella cheese cubes, and I'll probably be adding some of these pepperoncinis in too because they are delicious on pizzas. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is open our can with our smooth edge can opener. So basically the can goes like that, but you have to flip it over. So twist each way, so towards yourself, and then it locks. And we'll open up the can of beans. And then you feel it release, and then you twist away from yourself. There we go. You got your little grippers right there, little beak. And you pull the lid off. We're gonna drain the beans, and then I'll be right back. So I drained the beans, and I'm only making a salad for one person today, so here we go. I need a half cup of beans, so that's about a third of my beans, and the rest of them are going to go into our prep bowls for later. So we need a sauce, and I'm gonna use some of these cherry tomatoes in our electric twist and chop, and I've got red and gold and orange tomatoes today. I've also got our spicy pizza dipping oil. I'm going to add that in. Ooh, I do want to get some of those spices in though. Shake that down to the bottom of the bottle. There we go. So we're gonna add, this is not a measured recipe. There we go, we got a little bit of the spices in there. That's perfect. And I'm gonna use some garlic parm oil as well. Just a drizzle. There we go. And then we're gonna zhuzh it up. And I don't know if you've heard, but the Twist and Chop is on sale this month. Like a sauce to me. And oh, new consultants can get this for $30 in their kit here in January. So if you were interested in starting and you're interested in the Twist and Chop, it's a great time. But this looks great. The blade comes right out and it goes in the dishwasher. So does the lid, and so does the bowl. So that's all set. We're going to use this to dress our salad with in just a minute. So I'm going to put in my meat, cheese, and peppers. There's that. And I'm going to get some of those pepperoncinis out. And again, this isn't a dry salad, you know, it's not like I have to worry about getting extra juice in there or not. So, and I could have, I guess, put these in with the sauce, but I do kind of like them bigger. So there's that. What else do you like on your pizza? Because you could put just about anything you wanted in here. So all right, we got our cheese, we got everything in there, and we're gonna dress up our, there we go. Get it all mixed around. So you got your protein, you got some veggies, you got good oils in there. And here we are, dense bean salad. Gotta add a little salt and pepper, forgot. Okay, now I guess we ought to give it a try. It looks really good. Look at that. That's pretty impressive. All right, so I want some of the Canadian bacon, beans and the pepper and chini. Oops, missed. Sausage, pepper and chini. That's pretty delicious. Okay, so it's very light and very creamy from the beans, and you do get that like pepper heat from our spicy pizza oil. That's gonna be a great lunch. Very excited about this. So give it a try. Let me know what you put in yours, and we'll see you on the next one.